Today I'm riding my bike and also bring this GoPro here, attaching it to my headgear so I can take videos, show you around the neighborhood. Good morning, magandang umaga from the Philippines. Today I'm gonna take my bike, ride my bike, and at the same time use my GoPro, which I haven't used in a long time now. But before we head out, let's discuss a few things about the settings on the GoPro here, right? Before we use it. Okay, from the GoPro here, we have to go to preferences. The preferences, there's connections. Make sure the wireless connection is on. If not, you can just click on it and then you can toggle between on and off from here. Make sure that it's on. Okay, we go back. Then we go to your phone. We go to the phone under wireless or under Wi-Fi. I mean, let's look for the Wi-Fi network name of the GoPro. In this case, it's Mel Hero 7 White. Click on it, connect to it. Then on the GoPro, you can control it from here, start a preview. What we're gonna do is take a short clip here, short video clip of the garden, so I can show you how to save it on the media files and then later I export it to the phone. Okay, that's enough. Top left hand side, you'll see there, wait for a few minutes, you'll see the video that was saved. That's the video, and then you can save it on the media list on the GoPro, and then eventually you can, after that you can export it to your phone or save it on the list of media on your phone. And that's it, media saved. So we got our GoPro now and my headgear. Here we go.
to?
Ibos po yung sinasawsaw sa sukal, sir.
Eto
Sa
po.
gata. Ito po yung may latte, may kokobra.
Magkano yung may lapis?
35 sir, tatay 100.
Sige, isang may latex, tsaka...
Sir.
Hindi, isa lang.
Ah, sir, ka na.
Magkano yung isa?
35 po.
35 na.
Apo. Salamat po. Yes.
It's beautiful out here. Gonna spend a few minutes here. Grab a snack maybe. Cloudy. Got some rice cake with sweet coconut. We call it latik. Right there. Hear that? And some bottled water. What you do is you take the rice cake and you get the sweet coconut. It's gonna get a little messy. There we go. Yum. I think it's gonna rain. More. I guess I'm heading out now. I really like those trees. Pretty cool. I try to come here 2 to 3 times a week because it's really peaceful out here. It's so quiet. Peaceful. And look at that. I'll end the vlog here. You guys stay safe and I'll see you on the next one.